And the BRICS story coming in as we are speaking, the MHA is now getting a high-powered committee report in the Pannoon assassination plot. Report is now recommending action against the delinquent official. The big news that's coming in now, the report is recommending action against the delinquent official. The MHA is now getting a high-powered committee report in the Pannoon assassination case, and also now are asking for action against the delinquent official. There is a lot of details who are coming in where it is now being stated that the Indian official, now there should be some sort of action against the delinquent official. Let me go across to our senior executive editor Abhishek Kapoor, who's joining us now live on the story. Abhishek, what are the details you're picking up? What is the MHA now going to do? What action are we going to take?
Well, you see, the report itself recommends legal action against the delinquent, but obviously the report, the information that we have been shared does not name the delinquent, but we know it is Nikhil Gupta. He's the same person who has been charged by a U.S. court and is in U.S. custody in New York, and he's the one directly accused by the United States Department of Justice of plotting to assassinate Gurpatwant Singh Pannu. Remember, so far as India is concerned, Pannu is a designated terrorist, but still, as per US law, he's their citizen, and he's only exercising freedom of expression. Following that case, once that indictment revealed that Nikhil Gupta was the key suspect, and that there was another Indian official identified at that time as CC1 and subsequently known as Vikas Yadav. We don't know whether the report mentions any action against the officer who was anyway removed from his services. But what we know is that a case has been made against Nikhil Gupta, apart from, of course, other recommendations that are part of the report in terms of bolstering systems and mechanisms to make sure that these kind of acts do not happen again. Remember, the United States had taken a strong objection in the manner in which the plot had some government agent role in terms of the involvement of what they called CC1 at that time. And as I mentioned, the officer was revealed to be a former CRPF officer, Vikas Yadav. But now with this report, which was, remember, this is a report by a high-level inquiry committee which was held by the NSA. I believe that India would expect that the United States carries out its part of the deal. We don't know whether the report recommends extradition of Nikhil Gupta rhythm, but if that be the case, then it would be interesting to see how the United States responds. They had initially said that they are satisfied at the manner in which the inquiry committee is doing its work, and now that the report has come and it seeks legal action against Nikhil Gupta, whether his extradition is going to take place is what we should keep an eye on.
Absolutely. Thank you, Abhishek, for giving us those details. It's a top focus we'll continue tracking.